In many of our previous examples, we have seen using the property width and height. Now we'll see what the actual purpose of width and height are. The parent div that we have, which is basically the outer div. Giving 700 pixels here. So the outer div becomes 700 pixels now. Let me try to make the inner div 900 pixels. Let's see what happens. See, the inner div basically breaks out from its container or its parent div. I'll show you in the upcoming videos how to handle these size issues. There's a better way to do that. So for time being, I'll just remove the child div. Now, like width, there is also something called height. I'm giving fixed values. When you say pixels, pixel is pretty much a fixed value. Now each dots that represent in your monitor's resolution, so that's pixel. So if you see, the height has become 900 pixels now. Now you would also use something called an auto, which automatically sizes, which knows that the width and height this is what needs to be. I'm going to try to resize the page. Okay. We'll first see this 900 pixel is. Pixel comes till here. So probably I'm gonna give 1400 pixel. Okay, now I'm trying to resize the window. What happens when I resize the window? When this portion has been cut off. So to see that portion, I have to use the scroll bar left and right to see the portion. Now you might be wondering why I'm resizing this window. Just think of this page, whatever. See, your website is going to have a single version. Now this website that you see in your laptop or your desktop, it is the same website it's the same code that you see in your mobile or your tab. So different monitors, different displays, different size of displays, doesn't matter. Your website has to accommodate all that. And just think of this, in your laptop, this is how it is. So it's all cool. But if you're looking in your tab and every time if you have to do like this, it doesn't look well, right? So there is a way CSS fixes that. So in the width, I'm going to say, instead of width, I'm going to say max width is 1400 pixel. I earlier said width is 1400 pixel. Now I'm going to change that to max width is 1400 pixel. So what it does is, now when I try to resize, it'll just keep resizing accordingly. So this is how I'll look it in a tab. I have a small window, small browser window. This is how it'll look in a tab. Now, the coolest part is there's no scroll bar. You just see, this is how you see in a tab. And this is how you see in your current, whatever you're looking at it, your desktop or your monitor. So this is how it is. So what this piece says is, this property says that the max width should be 1400 pixel and not more than that. So that's why it stays till here. So likewise, you also have a max height property. So it does the same job. Now this pixel is basically a rigid value, meaning 1400 pixel is 1400 pixel no matter which display you see. But we'll see how this can be actually automatically resized depending on the display. We have a upcoming video session on that.